eyes have gently known how to conquer my heart, and gently my eyes and my heart have conquered me. For my heart saw in the eyes her for whom my eyes die, and my heart die from it. And my heart half dead, see if it's not a fine treason, makes me go to her who kills him to be killed. By thought, by envy, and by worry, and my eyes by grief, and itself by desire. If I weep or lament or complain about my heart, or if I have desire from it, let no one blame me for anything. For I know well that from the harm that comes from such a high place, no man dies. And I can well say that my worries are rich. And if I can ever dare to show her the desire that I have for her, or dare to tell her I will be honored, even if she made me be killed. Many times I plan it with my heart, how I should beg her, but this is what happens to me. When my heart thinks to speak, my mouth stops it, and the desire grows, and my daring dies, and the terrors and the long sighs double in me, and my sense fails me so much that I don't know what to say. For I cannot manage to beg her, nor do I know how to begin it or leave it. And if I go far from her, she stays closer to my heart, and the more I flee from her, the more she holds me back. Wherefore I remain entirely in her mercy. For he who dies fleeing does not die nobly. But it doesn't seem to me, when I gaze at her gentle body, that she should kill me or anyone. Rather it seems to me that she should heal that which makes all other death die. Before I saw her, I knew her in my heart, and I had my hope and my faith in her. And when I saw her, I was hers completely at once, so that for her my heart is worthy, and lives and dies, and I am hers today. Such a faithful servant and promoter and thanker of her good qualities, that those who at that time had her in hatred, I now make promote and thank her. Think that I renounce you, or that it grieves me to be your noble servant without reward. For she whom I now desire is doing you the wrong that you used to do.